For decades, this Toyota GR Supra stayed buried in rust, mud, and silence, forgotten by the world. Buried like a forgotten corpse, this Toyota GR Supra had become nothing more than metal, rust, and memories. At first glance, nobody believed this dead Supra could ever move again, but legends never die. One small payment, one risky decision, and this dead Supra finally gets one last chance. Every door was frozen by time. Every movement felt like waking the dead. Buried for decades, the dead Supra fights its way out of the earth once again. Piece by piece, the forgotten machine leaves its grave for the very last time. Tonight, the workshop doors open and the impossible rebuild finally begins. Inside the workshop, every bolt is a memory. Every rusted part must be carefully removed to bring life back again. The heart of the machine finally pulled out after years of silence. Only a skeleton remains. Now the real rebuilding begins. Years of rust are erased, revealing the true metal beneath. Broken bones of metal are fused again. Strength is returning slowly. Piece by piece, the foundation of speed is rebuilt. The heart is no longer dead, it starts to breathe again. After years of silence, the engine returns to its home. From broken silence, new circuits begin to flow, bringing electricity back into the soul of this machine. Every panel is aligned with perfection as the shape of a legend returns once again. The scars of the past are erased, preparing for a brand new identity. Layer by layer, the black soul of the Supra is reborn stronger than before. Now it doesn't just shine. It reflects a completely new life. Inside the cabin, comfort and performance meet in perfect harmony. The stance is complete, and now it's ready to grip the road like never before. After years of silence, one final moment remains before it comes back to life. Every system is tested, every signal is checked. This machine is now alive again from inside. Years of dirt, oil, and rust are washed away, revealing the heart that once powered a legend. Piece by piece, the dead engine is opened, exposing every scar left by time. Every crack, every worn surface reveals how close this engine came to dying forever. New strength replaces old weakness, and the heart of the Supra grows stronger than ever before. From rust and silence, a brand new heart is born, ready to roar once again. With the body removed, only the bones remain, and every inch shows the damage of time. To save the legend, every weak piece of metal must be removed without mercy. From raw steel, new strength is forged, stronger than what time destroyed. Broken metal becomes one again, as the skeleton of the Supra is reborn in fire. Every line, every angle now stands perfectly aligned, ready for the next stage of rebirth. Every scar is smoothed away, every surface prepared. Perfection begins with patience. The first protective layer seals the past and prepares the body for its new identity. Not a single flaw survives. Every curve is shaped for absolute perfection. Layer by layer, the black soul of the Supra returns, darker, deeper, stronger than ever. What once was rust and silence now shines like a legend reborn in pure black. New wheels touch the ground, and the Supra finally stands ready to own the road again. Every millimeter matters. Now the stance matches the spirit of a true street legend. Inside these doors, luxury, precision, and performance come together as one. From darkness to light, every signal, every beam, every circuit is alive once again. Not just restored, protected, perfected, and prepared to shine for years to come. After years of silence, one single touch is all it takes to wake a sleeping legend. The dead heart now roars with power, louder, stronger, and more alive than ever before. From a forgotten grave to the morning light, the Supra finally returns to the world. Every kilometer proves one truth: legends may fall, but true legends always return. Once buried in rust and silence, now reborn as pure legend, the Toyota Supra lives forever.